We all know about normal maps. The normal map creates the illusion of the depths for your model in order to make your model much lighter for the games. But what if you actually want to sculpt the details of your normal map on your model? It's actually not the normal map. The name is displacement map. Displacement map shows the features that are carved into your model. There are two ways of adding the displacement map to your model. One version is using the displacement map on your shader that I made a video before, and I will add the card on the top right of this video. But the other way, in that version, you need to render with the cycles to see the changes on your model. But in this version, we are going to use the displace modifier in order to actually sculpt or carve the details on our model. To start, we're going to add some subdivisions to our model. Add the subdivision surface modifier. And if you have a plane or a box that you don't want to make a shape like this, instead of Catmull Clark, click on the simple. Add a few subdivisions. Then the next modifier should be the displace modifier. As you can see, I add the displace modifier. It's already displacing, but I need to add my displacement map as a reference for the displace modifier. Click on the new in the texture. Now I have a new texture. I can name it displacement or anything you like. Then go to the texture. Here click on the open. Now I need to find my displacement map and open it. As you can see, my displacement map is here, but you don't see anything. Actually, you see something on the model, but nothing like our displacement map. Go back to the modifier and add a few subdivisions. As you can see, when I add subdivisions, you see more and more and more details. But it's still too strong and without any particle details. To add a few more polygons, I select the plane, go to the edit mode and select the face, right click, subdivide. I'll subdivide a few times like this, then come out of the edit mode to the object mode. And as you can see, I have much more resolution on my model, but still the displacement is too strong. The strength of the displacement map is here. If I put it on 0.1, it's much better. And you can change the mid-level. As you can see, generally I like the mid-level on 0, but sometimes it's good to keep it on 0.5. If you feel it's too soft, add a little bit of strength. And as you can see, I have my displacement map on my model. But still, you can go back to the edit mode and add some subdivision, and you have a better detailed model. But keep in mind, the more you have subdivisions and polygons, the more the chance of crashing your system. So when you reach your desired result, you can decrease the levels viewport so you don't see the subdivision on the viewport, but keep the render resolution at the maximum. This way you can add more models with the displacement without crashing your system. That's it for this video. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe to the channel. More videos like this on the Blender tutorials, characters, rigging, animations are going to upload it soon. Have a great day. Bye bye.